Hi everyone, and welcome. Thanks for taking the time to join today. Today we are going to talk about a very specific but very common problem for growing finance teams. How do you consolidate multiple Zoho Books organizations without using Excel? If you're here, you're probably dealing with one of these situations. Multiple subsidiaries using separate Zoho Books accounts. Month-end consolidation taking too long. Excel files being manually exported, copied, and reformatted. Or inconsistent charts of accounts across entities. By the end of this session, I'll show you why Excel breaks at group consolidation level, what a proper consolidation workflow looks like, and a live example of how you can generate consolidated reports without reformatting anything. Let's start with reality. Zoho Books works well for individual companies, but once you move into a group structure, problems appear. 1. Multiple organizations equals multiple data silos. Each entity has its own chart of accounts, its own currencies, its own reporting format. 2. Excel becomes the glue. Most teams try to solve this by exporting trial balances, copying into Excel templates, manually mapping accounts, fixing formatting every month. And this creates 3 hidden costs. Time cost, days per month. Error risk, formula and mapping mistakes. Dependency risk, only 1 to 2 people know how it works. The real issue is not Zoho Books. It's not a Zoho problem. It's a multi-entity data structure problem. 1. Zoho Books was designed for one company. Multi-entity reporting means pulling data from several systems and unifying it. That's a fundamentally different problem than single-entity bookkeeping. 2. Excel was not designed for consolidation. It can simulate consolidation with enough formulas and manual work. But it can't enforce it, audit it, or scale it as entity count grows. 3. The real need is a consolidation layer. Something that sits above the accounting systems, pulls data from each one, and produces group reports automatically, without manual re-entry or Excel gymnastics. Let's reset expectations. A proper consolidation process should look like this. First, it connects directly to each Zoho Books organization. No exporting files. Second, it standardizes data automatically. You map the chart of accounts once, and that mapping is reused every month. Third, it handles the differences between entities, different currencies, different account structures, different reporting formats. Fourth, it produces consolidated reports instantly, a consolidated profit and loss, a consolidated balance sheet, with entity-level drill down whenever you need it. The key idea is this. You shouldn't be preparing data for consolidation. The system should prepare it for you. Let's walk through a realistic scenario. We start on the hierarchy screen, which shows the company structure. Demo Group is the consolidated entity, with Demo Sales and Demo Service as subsidiaries. Both already have data loaded via Excel. Now let's load data into a new subsidiary, Demo Zoho. Click on Connect to Zoho Books. This redirects you to the authorization page. Click Agree and Connect. If you have multiple Zoho Books accounts, you'll be redirected back to BrizoConsol to select which one to connect. Once selected, the system pulls in the chart of accounts and trial balance automatically. Behind the scenes, BrizoConsol calls the Zoho Books API directly to retrieve data. When that's done, you're brought back to BrizoConsol. The system detects new accounts have come in and prompts you for account mapping. The chart of accounts is sent to AI for analysis, which returns a set of suggested mappings to the parent company's structure. You review and confirm the mapping. Once confirmed, the data is consolidated automatically for your company. Since the suggestions won't cover all accounts, you can map the remaining accounts manually. From there, you can check the dashboard. Or switch back to group level to see the consolidated numbers. That's it for the basic consolidation flow. No Excel, no copying, no reformatting. This isn't just about saving time. It changes how finance teams operate. Before, month-end was a manual project, heavily dependent on Excel experts, with slow decision-making as a result. After, Month-end becomes a review process. Finance teams spend their time on analysis, not formatting, and reporting to management gets faster. This is exactly what BrizoConsol is built for. BrizoConsol connects directly to multiple accounting systems, including Zoho Books, and removes Excel from the consolidation process, standardizes multi-entity reporting, supports multi-currency groups, enables drill down across entities. The goal is simple: from fragmented accounting systems to one consolidated financial view. Ready to see BrizoConsol in action? Start your free trial today.